Hello, this is Standing Strong of the Ojibwe tribe. I'm also known as Cindy, and I'm coming to you from Niibing today, which is just north of the Minnesota border, just south of the city of Thunder Bay. And I'm listening to and watching a woodpecker in here today, a pileated woodpecker, which is bringing us a message of abundance and prosperity. So always love to see them. They also encourage shamanic experiences because as they start to tap, 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 tap on the trees, that creates a space for a shamanic experience. So yeah, lovely to chat with you today. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.